Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome to channel Chemistry Wala Anand sir. After the 2 or 3 videos, I come back with my new video. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome to channel Chemistry Wala Anand sir. This is the class of chemistry, class 9, chapter number 3, atoms and molecules. The today topic is the first topic is the difference between the empirical and chemical formula. Let us start. So we already know the meaning of empirical and chemical formula, but right now we are going to discuss the difference between empirical and chemical formula. The difference between empirical formula and the chemical formula can best understood by taking the following two examples. There are two examples I am giving here. The first example is the molecular formula of benzene. The molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. The number of carbon and hydrogen atoms in a molecule of benzene is C is 6 into 6. The simplest ratio of these two numbers is 1:1. Hence the empirical formula of benzene is C1H1, that is the CH. Next example is the molecular formula of hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. Thus the ratio of the number of hydrogen and oxygen atoms in a molecule of hydrogen peroxide is 2:2. The simplest ratio is 1:1 and the empirical formula of hydrogen peroxide H1O1, that is HO. Note, the important note, in some cases, in few cases, empirical formula and molecular formula are same. For example, methane CH4, boron trichloride BCl3. So my dear students, this is all about the difference between the empirical formula and chemical formula. Let's start the next topic.
कुछ नहीं आएगा छोड़ दो कुछ नहीं आएगा
काहे बोल रही है?
क्या जरूरी है
आवाज ये करवा रही है क्या?
छोड़ दो
So my dear students, let us understand the next topic. The next topic is relation between empirical and molecular formula.
वो ना बेटा बेटी किसके लिए बुआ पूरी बना
हम अपने बुआ पूरी हम दोनों को
Relationship between the empirical formula and chemical formula. How can we collaborate between the relationship? How can we establish the relationship between empirical formula and the chemical formula? Let us start. So it is all about the everyone is going to be preparation for Holi. But right now I am just giving you the video because I am thinking that a student will, those students who want to learn, it is very helpful for the student to be ready for the final examination. वीडियो खत्म होगा आवाज खत्म बंद हो जाएगी लेकिन वीडियो हम बना रहे हैं तो चेंज जानना चाहिए. So my dear, वो अभी कैमरा कर So my dear student, relationship between empirical and molecular formula.
देखिए हम जो जो लिखाना लिखा जाएगा
Relationship between
लिखा उसको क्या करते हैं सफेद वाला मिनी का
empirical and chemical formula. So from the above example, it becomes clear that from the above examples,
इसमें क्या है
it becomes clear that from the above example it becomes clear that the molecular formula of a compound is the molecular formula of compound is the molecular formula of compound is a simple whole number, is a simple whole number of its ratio, simple whole number of its, simple whole number multiple of its, simple whole number multiple of its chemical formula, of its empirical formula. Empirical formula. Thus we can say that Thus we can say that molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. Empirical formula. So you can say this is the formula all about this is the relationship. This is the relationship where N is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. etc. The next topic is how to write a formula. How to
10 किलो पैकेट फाड़ के तो आप 2 दिन के बाद तो चलिए गए ना तो रख ले वहां से भी लेके आने हैं
how to write a formula. The formula of a compound is given by of a compound. The formula of a compound. The formula of a compound is given by writing side by side. Think side by writing side by side the symbol of the constituent elements. The symbol of the constituent element. The symbol of the constituent element. So my dear student, symbol of the more metallic element, symbol of the metallic, symbol of the more metallic elements is written first in the formula. Is written first in the formula. So my dear student, for example, formula of hydrogen chloride is written as, for example, formula of hydrogen chloride is written as HCl. So these are the things you have to be understand. Let us watch the topic and I'll come back to give you the clear explanation. So my dear student, you always keep in your mind during the writing formula, there are few things you have to be understand, you have to be kept in your mind that this thing always keep in your mind that you must be aware of it. So my dear student, let us understand these things in a very simple way. First topic is the relationship between the empirical and chemical formula. So my dear student, from the above example, we have taken the two examples of benzene and hydrogen peroxide. From the above example, it becomes clear that the molecular formula of compound is a simplest whole number multiple of its empirical formula. So the above example, it becomes clear that molecular formula or chemical formula of a compound is a simple whole number multiple of its empirical formula. So my dear student, molecular formula is the simple whole number multiple of its empirical formula. This is the relationship. So the molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. This is the relationship. Between the molecular formula and the empirical formula, or empirical formula of the N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Next topic is how to write a formula. So the formula of a compound is given by writing side by side the symbol of the constituent element. Symbol of the more metallic element is written first in the formula. Example, formula of hydrogen chloride is written as HCl. So my dear student, formula of hydrogen chloride is written as HCl. So this is the way of writing the formula, relationship between empirical formula and chemical formula, how to write a formula. Again we are discussing how to write the formula, writing formula on the basis of valency. But the time being is very important. How much time the video is, that must be important. So my dear student, this is all about today video. Thank you for watching my video. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher, vacuum channel chemistry wala answer. Give more views, like and share. Also subscribe my channel. Don't skip the video. Go throughout the video. Understand the chemistry in a simple way. Thank you all of you. Take care.